Traditional POTS lines are becoming obsolete and costly as telecom providers shift to cellular and voice-over internet technology. This poses a problem for legacy safety devices relying on these lines. Provision offers a digital alternative to POTS lines, providing a secure, reliable network that mimics analog connections. This transition reduces costs and enhances service features for customers. It creates two simultaneous connections, one via wireless LTE and another through existing broadband. If one fails, the other takes over instantly. Unlike other solutions, this solution ensures uninterrupted calls, even during network outages. This is vital for emergency calls, preventing delays that could occur with other backup systems. Contact Provision today to discuss this dependable, cost-effective solution for replacing POTS lines, ensuring safety and reliability in critical situations. Provision provides expert advisory services for IT asset management and procurement, specializing in cloud, telecom, wireless networking, contact centers, cybersecurity, and more. With hundreds of industry relationships, our specialists navigate the IT services landscape to find tailored solutions that meet your unique business needs.